Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Wow, look at all this snow. Who's crazy enough to go running outside in this kind of weather?
I ain't gonna lie. If you out in this motherfucking Jack Frost blizzard, you out your motherfucking mind. What?
Rain, sleet, snow. Y'all know what it is. It really don't matter. It really don't matter. Your boy out here. Yeah, you know the vlog. I wouldn't recommend coming outside unless you built like that. You feel me? I'm running past people, they cheering you on. Some people, you know what I'm saying? I'm cheering other people on that's out here running. It's crazy how much unity you get when you do something impossible, baby. I ain't gonna let nothing stop me. Nah, not right now. I still gotta go to work too. Like going to the office. Oh, yeah. If I bust my ass, yo, y'all just make sure y'all laugh. But ask if I'm alright. You know what I'm saying? Look at my hair. Shit crazy. I look like George Washington, Thurgood Marshall, Frederick Douglass. That's what I look like right now. When I first came out here, I said I was only gonna do 3 miles. First I said I was gonna do 1. Then I was like, you know what? Let me just do a 5K. I got out here. I said, fuck that. When am I gonna have a chance to run a long distance or like or 6 miles in the snow? It's all fresh snow, ain't no ice. Let me go for it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going for it. Just like in life, baby. It don't matter the obstacles, I'm going for it. The snow's symbolic. I think it is. I think it's symbolic because everybody done made their own path, and everybody done paid their own way. And sometimes, I know personally, I forget, like, I can make my own path. But when the snow comes, it's like it covers everything. And it's like, you don't mind. I don't mind following somebody's tracks and footsteps. It makes it a little easier for me to walk. But sometimes I see that untouched snow and I'm like, yo, let me go and make my own path. But it's like, these paths are already made. But it's like, fuck it. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, baby. Y'all switch your arms. This ain't gotta be the best vlog. Y'all might not even understand me. My face is so frozen. Look at my eyelashes frozen. My hair frozen, my beard frozen. My face. It's going crazy. It's going real crazy. It's going real crazy. See all the snow? Shit crazy. I feel like I'm in Antarctica. Something like that. But you know, BK, baby. New York, baby. Brooklyn, New York, baby. Alright. I'm gonna get back to this run. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. Alright, let me ask you a question. What type of person are you? Do you, when you walking in the snow, do you walk in the same footprints or same steps as somebody else? Or do you walk in that fresh snow and create your own path? So in other words, is this you? Or do you walk right here? I do a little bit of both. I walk right here. I walk in the steps. Because at the end of the day, I know it don't really even matter if it's been paid for me or it hasn't. You know what I'm saying? I'm still walking. That's all it's about, walking. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I know the weather is crazy, but you know, I gotta go save the day. I'm about to go meet Brianna, save her life, because you know that's what I do. You know? Yes, you know, I know you probably thought we was done with the vlogging for the day, but you know, super futuristic Teo. I'm still out here, still doing my thing. You know what I'm saying? Shouts to the good feet. Y'all know how we doing, my fault. Your boy seeing ghosts and all that, so. But yeah, you know how we giving it up, living it up, giving it up. Still here. Hopefully the train's running, because if the train not running, I'm gonna have to walk from here all the way to where Brianna's at. Let's just say it probably take me like 4 hours. And I don't know if I get my headphones. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I get to the train. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. Yo, it's really a winter wonderland out here. Oh, look at all this snow. In case y'all thought it was a game. It's wild out here. Welcome to the wild side. Like at times right now, I just be thinking like, all I can think about is my car, right? So for people that could barely park, right? How bad of a parking jobs are they doing now? Like, if you couldn't park before and it's all the snow you gotta drive through, they probably paying bumper cars. You know what I'm saying? And I don't need you paying bumper cars on my whip. You know what I'm saying? Scratch my joint up. The wackest part is, won't even know till all the snow melts. Like, what? There was one time I was going to Wegmans, right? I seen this lady, she was driving a Jeep. The space was huge. She backs right into the car. Like her back part of her car hits the car where like the gas tank is. And you know what she did? She hit that joint, reversing into it some more, like, and then just sped off. I'm like, yo, people crazy out here. That person with that car that got hit, they gonna be super upset. Wow. Look, I low-key gotta respect it because they just said, you know what, I'm not even gonna park in that spot. Yeah, so I finally made it to the joint. You know me, Superman, traveling any weather. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how we doing. Yo, tell me why, right? Holmes dude comes up to me like, yo, I'm not even gonna ask you for no money, I just gotta tell you this. Yo, those boots right there, them joints is fire. I was trying to tell Bree the other day, like, yo, when something's fire, it's fire. Fire. Hey, yo, shouts to the, you know what I mean? To the guys. Shit, crazy. So, you know, I came to the end of the earth. I saved Breon as usual. You know what I'm saying? I come to save the day. And you know how I do it. Now I'm just here chilling, you know. Parting the lights. You know I gotta stay cozy, so you know I keep the robes on. If your bathroom doesn't have fresh vegetation, what are you really doing? How is your bathroom eco-friendly if you ain't got one of these? Okay? Thank you. You know what I'm saying? You see the shower game. You know how we doing it. You know how I'm doing it. But, you know, right now I'm off on metal utensils because I gotta do things that's, you know, economically right. You know it's on the TV. Seinfeld, per usual. But I think I'm gonna eat my little salad. It's the freshest salad I think I've ever had in my life. I got soup too.
George hasn't even seen her yet. Why do you think we're getting this snake cream?
You never even seen a spoon like this. Tell the truth. Come clean. You have to be someplace real luxurious to get a spoon like this. Like, look. Spoon ain't got no dip in it. None. Wealth. Extremely wealthy. You dig?
No thanks.
I'm good.
These beets, cucumbers and mint, red onions. Y'all don't understand this.
Show's over.
I bet you wanna know where I'm at, don't you? There's my other spot. I ordered 4 vegan cookies and they only gave me 1. I ain't gonna hold you. That just made me very upset. Very upset. Bought the 5th fly though, same clothes from yesterday. But I took a shower, best believe. Alright, so they made it right. They gave me my 4 cookies, plus he gave me an extra one, you feel me? Cause I ain't go down there like, yo, what the fuck? I was like, yo, I ordered 4 cookies, he gave me 1, bro. So my fault, I'll give you 1 more extra. Shouts to all the vegans in the world. Everybody doing their vegan thing, feel me? We got that vegan cook-up cake, you heard? It's real good, you dig? So, you know, I'm just taking y'all on a ride with me, like, you know, every once in a while we gonna do these vegan things, eat vegan ways. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, have a good day. Do y'all, you heard? Yeah, you know where you at. Places y'all wanna be, eating things y'all can't. You know what I'm saying? I still keep it regular. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, you feel me? Real good. They ain't the best for you, but I put them on the Ezekiel bread, you feel me? But you know, shoes that's fire. I already told y'all the story yesterday. And yes, I am still in the same clothes from yesterday. But I did take a shower. You see that shower? You see that? Yeah. It was an amazing shower. It was an amazing shower. Hold on. See these lights? Hold on. Y'all ain't got showers that come this way. Tell the truth. Just tell the truth. Y'all water don't get this high. Look at getting foggy. You know how we living it. You know how we giving it up. Good feet.